Yo guys, what's up? Here I'm looking at space, SPCE. So I did sell a put, I sold a call, and I bought a call. So I did a little spread. I think this is called the Jade Lizard or something. Go back and watch my last video on this stock. It's pretty good. Alright, anyway, I'm looking to close these out. They expire tomorrow, so just to nullify any market volatility that might happen, I'm just going to close these out at pretty much a full profit. I'm going to say close. 3. That's acceptable. I could just wait till expiration and let them go expire, but I'm going to close these out and take that risk off the table just in case something happens to the stock unexpectedly. I have a huge profit, so not too worried about it. And I'm going to keep the lotto ticket. So if all of a sudden the stock spikes up to 30 bucks or 35 bucks tomorrow for some weird, strange reason. William Shatner just got shot into space by Blue Origin, but seemed to bump this stock a little. But anyway, just keeping it as a lotto ticket. Never know. It's not really worth selling here at $2. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.